May nagsabi na ba sa'yo ng ganito? Huwag mong ipa-opera ang cancer, baka kumalat. Isa ito sa pinakamalaking myths tungkol sa cancer. At isa rin sa mga dahilan kung bakit maraming Pilipino ang nade-delay ang paggamot. Pero here's the truth. Hindi ang surgery ang nagpapakalat ng cancer. Ang delay sa tamang paggamot ang maaaring magbigay ng pagkakataon sa cancer na lumala. At alam ba ninyo na para sa maraming uri ng cancer, surgery ang pinakamalaking pagkakataon para tuluyang gumaling. So before we fear the operating room, let's understand what cancer surgery really is.
Dum, 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 dum. Welcome to Everything About Cancer with Doc Fred Ting.
New episode every Wednesday.
And Saturday.
Hi everyone, I'm Doc Fred Ting, your friendly medical oncologist, and welcome to Everything About Cancer, kung saan tinatanggal natin ang takot sa pamamagitan ng tamang kaalaman. Today, pag-uusapan natin ang isa sa pinakamahalagang sandata laban sa cancer, ang surgery. Kapag narinig natin ang salitang surgery, iniisip agad natin na simpleng pagtanggal lang ng bukol. Pero ang totoo, cancer surgery is much more than that. Layunin nitong alisin ang cancer kasama ang maliit na bahagi ng normal tissue sa paligid nito upang matiyak na walang naiwang cancer cells. Sa maraming pagkakataon, tinatanggal din ang mga lymph nodes para malaman kung kumalat na ang cancer. Mahalaga ang impormasyong ito dahil ito ang tumutulong sa inyong cancer team na magdesisyon kung kailangan pa ba ng chemotherapy, radiation therapy, targeted treatment, o maaari ng observation lamang. Sa madaling salita, surgery is not just treatment. It is also an important source of information that guides the rest of your cancer journey. Hindi lahat ng cancer ay nangangailangan ng operasyon. Halimbawa, karamihan sa leukemia at lymphoma ay hindi ginagamot sa surgery. Pero para sa maraming solid cancers tulad ng breast cancer, colon cancer, thyroid cancer, kidney cancer, skin cancer, at ilang lung cancers, surgery remains one of the best treatments available. May iba't ibang layunin ang surgery. Minsan, ito ang unang treatment para tuluyang alisin ang cancer. Minsan naman, ginagawa muna ang chemotherapy bago operahan upang lumiit ang tumor at maging mas madaling tanggalin. At sa ibang pagkakataon, surgery ang tumutulong upang maibsan ang sintomas gaya ng pagdurugo, pananakit, o pagbabara ng bituka. Ang pinakamahalagang tandaan ay ito. Every cancer is different. Every patient is different. Kaya ang desisyon kung kailangan ng surgery ay laging personalized. Pag-usapan natin ang ilang myths. Myth number 1. Kapag ginalaw ang cancer, kakalat ito. Hindi po ito totoo. Ang cancer surgery ay ginagawa gamit ang mga teknik na napatunayang ligtas at batay sa maraming dekadang scientific evidence. Sa katunayan, para sa maraming pasyente, ang surgery ang dahilan kung bakit sila gumaling. Myth number 2. Kapag naoperahan na, tapos na ang gamutan. Hindi rin palagi. Depende sa resulta ng biopsy at sa stage ng cancer, maaring kailangan pa rin ang chemotherapy, radiation therapy, hormone therapy, immunotherapy, o targeted treatment. Hindi ito ibig sabihin na hindi successful ang surgery. Ibig sabihin lamang nito na gusto nating mabigyan ka ng pinakamataas na tsansa na hindi na bumalik ang cancer. Myth number 3. Mas mabuting huwag na lang magpa-opera. Ang pinakamagandang desisyon ay hindi nakabase sa takot. Ang pinakamagandang desisyon ay nakabase sa tamang impormasyon at sa rekomendasyon ng inyong cancer team. Bago ang surgery, dadaan ka muna sa iba't ibang tests tulad ng blood tests, imaging, at medical clearance upang matiyak na ligtas ang operasyon. Ipapaliwanag din ng surgeon kung ano ang gagawin, ano ang posibleng risks, at ano ang aasahan pagkatapos ng surgery. Pagkatapos ng operasyon, mahalaga ang recovery. Kasama rito ang tamang pag-alaga sa sugat, wastong pagkain, paggalaw kapag pinayagan na, at regular na follow-up. At tandaan, hindi ka nag-iisa. Kasama mo ang buong cancer team sa bawat hakbang ng iyong pagaling. Kung ikaw o ang mahal mo sa buhay ay nirekomendahan ng surgery, gusto kong iwan sa inyo ang mensaheng ito. Don't let fear delay the chance to be healed. For many patients, surgery is not the end of the story. It's the beginning of a second chance to celebrate birthdays, a second chance to hug your loved ones, a second chance to watch your children and grandchildren grow. Remember, the goal of cancer surgery is not simply to remove a tumor. It is to give you the best possible chance to live the life you were meant to live. I'm Dr. Fred Ting, and this has been Everything About Cancer. If this video helped you, share it with someone who needs to hear this today. Together, let's replace fear with knowledge, and let's continue fighting cancer with hope, one informed decision at a time. And as always, let your faith be stronger than your fears, because cancer is not a death sentence, and there is always hope. Thank you for watching Everything About Cancer with me, Doc Fred Ting. If you found this episode helpful, please like this video, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe to the channel so we can spread accurate and reliable information about cancer to more people. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you won't miss our upcoming episodes. And always remember, let your faith be stronger than your fears, because cancer is not a death sentence and there is always hope. Again, I'm Doc Fred Ting, and see you in the next episode of Everything About Cancer.
Dum, 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 dum. Welcome to Everything About Cancer with Doc Fred Ting.
New episode every Wednesday.
On Saturday.